preparing a house for siding, the first thing we do, again, depending on the project, what the customer wants, we're going to go through, in this area of the country, 4x8, 4x9, 4x12 sheets of siding is the most popular type of structural siding that was used to build homes in this particular area of the country, especially Kansas City. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to remove all of the 1x4 bats around your house, most of your trim, you know, maybe all the trim work around your windows and doors, maybe not, depending on the type of material we're going back with on the second envelope. We're going to replace any wood rot, any damaged 4x8, 4x9, 4x12 sheets. We're going to put on our new OSB. We're going to fasten that to your home. We're going to then wrap your entire home in Tyvek or some other brand of wind and moisture barrier. We're going to tape all the joints, tape all your windows, you know, doors, etc. Make sure that everything is watertight before we actually start the process of hanging your second envelope siding. In most cases, we have to call the electrical company. Your power meter will need to be pulled from the home so that we can get the new siding behind it. You know, there's a possibility of having to call a plumber for some of your outside faucets. We'll remove or disable some of your cable lines or temporarily. You know, we want a flat, perfect canvas to start with before we hang our siding. The best thing for a homeowner to do to prepare for siding is to have everything out of the way for the installers when they get there. And what I'm talking about is lawn furniture, hoses, disconnecting hoses from the home, cutting back overgrown shrubs and bushes, making sure that there's no vegetation against the house. If you have vines growing on the house, if you can pull those off the house and clip those back. Anything that you can do to prepare the job site for the crew before they get there, that's going to make us be more efficient at what we do in our job. No, our customers are great. They're usually very conscious of helping out, and they want us as badly as we want to get in and out and be efficient for a customer so that we're not there. Customers are great at making sure that their homes are prepared and ready for us when we get there so that we can get in and get out and they can move on with their lives.